I wanted to share with you a very super fast, easy, delicious recipe that I got from a guy called Lifeisnoyoke. They're vegan and I'm not, so I made this a non-vegan recipe. So to make this queso, we're gonna start with a cup of milk and make sure for the full authentic Canadian experience that your milk is from a bag. Not a carton, not a jug, only a bag. Wow, this is really awkward with one hand. That's how we roll with quick, easy kitchen shit. Next, we're gonna put in a 50-50 combination, believe it's half a cup each, of raw almonds and raw cashews. Do they have to be raw? According to the recipe, yes, but I don't know. What happens if you try using ones that are cooked? I don't know what'll happen. Then we have a red bell pepper that's torn in half, well, cut in half, and rip the guts out. The seeds, the white pulpy stuff, just get that in there. It's all going in raw. And this is where the this is what really makes it taste like cheese. This stuff right here is called nutritional yeast. It's used in a lot of vegan recipes. And look, again, I'm not vegan, and most of the vegan stuff you buy in the store is honestly disgusting. But I gotta say, this really, truly does make it taste like cheese. And look at how healthy that is. Look at that. That thiamine, that riboflavin, that whatever those words mean. There's a lot of it in there, so that's gonna go in. And it stinks. Yes, it smells bad, but it tastes really good. So in with that. And that's honestly it for the base. That's the base of the queso. But I'm going to go in with the aromatics. So in this little Ramsteinikin, I've got salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. I believe it's half a teaspoon of garlic and onion. And then the salt is 1.5 teaspoon or half tablespoon. It's all the same in. And in this ramekin I've got right here, regular paprika. It's not showing as red as it is in real life. This camera really dulls the colors. But anyway, paprika, smoked paprika, and cayenne for heat. Paprika gives it color. Smoked paprika gives it, obviously smoke. And then cayenne is for the heat. Now, for the first time ever on video, I'm going to be adding this stuff in that I discovered recently. This is Aleppo pepper. This is Aleppo pepper. Okay, it's some kind of pepper. And again, it looks really brown and sad on camera, but in IRL, it's a lot more red looking. And this is like a really roasty flavor. It's not smoky. It's roasty, if that makes any sense. And I think it's going to be really killer in this queso. So I'm adding it in, and I'm not even measuring it. I'm just putting it in all willy-nilly, and we'll see how it turns out. And what I do, because it's me, so the recipe from Lifeisnoyoke, it lacked an acid, because you need an acid in there to help make it taste good. And some people for these kinds of dips will use lemon juice, but I am going with my old trusty Frank's Red Hot Sauce original cayenne pepper sauce. This is my favorite. The commercial says I put this shit on everything. Like, I actually do. I really do. Somewhere around a tablespoon. You can put in more, you can put in less. If you don't like that stuff, then lemon juice or vinegar. Just, you need acid to cut through the fat. So slap that on, and on to our 100% American-made and designed Vitamix. There's a soup button right here. What that does is this is going to cook. Like this is raw. That pepper is raw. It's actually going to cook inside the Vitamix using friction. It's fascinating, but like as you can see, it takes 5 minutes and 45 seconds. It takes a long time. It's really loud and obnoxious, so I'm gonna just edit it down. And just like that, it's finished. You can have this hot, you can have it cold. I personally think it's better cold, but look at this. Look at this consistency. That is a perfect spreadable, pourable cheese sauce. Oh, it looks good. So what do you do with it? Well, you can spread it onto a cracker, You can use it as a dip for your veggies and whatnot. You use your tortillas with it. You can do nachos, you can tacos, you can put it in your sandwich. It's delicious and yeah, very, very healthy.